Hey guys, welcome to Vasily Doing Stuff. I'm Vasily, and today I have sold on my eBay store 2 sets of TCG World of Warcraft cards. And in this video I will be packing it for the buyer. Let's begin. Better on this side. Let's see how it will fit best. Not like that, that's for sure. But when I measured, it worked. Why it's not working now? Here we go. Okay, not much more than that needed. Found this box. I can just put it inside and it's actually all I need. Don't forget to thank the buyer. And also some positive message. Always spread the good word. So basically that will be all. After I will put the shipping sleeve, I will put some more glue around it, but this will be all for now. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you can like this video and also consider subscribing to the channel. It's just a press of a button for you, but huge difference for me. And thank you very much, and I hope I will see you next time.